Sisters, this is my pig. Her name is Carmen. She's now eating her breakfast. You can see that one, and also the uh, body behind the banana, and also the chop of the corn. She ate well. She like it. She like very much. So this is the one good house for the pig. Like this one, you can put a wall here and also there. This is not very expensive as you start your mini piggery like this one. You can put steel like this one, and if she will birth piglets will come and out here. This one, you can see this one will open and close. So this also with units going down. You should also have your septic tank. I have my septic tank over there. This is my small piggery. This one, also this one, another, a new become will be a mother pig soon. And this one is the daughter of Carmine. Okay, you can see this one. She is black, color black, and her mother is composed of black and white. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this my YouTube channel, and you should also put always a water to your pig, for they will drink if they are thirsting. Okay, like that one, like that one. Okay, so God bless and more power. This is the world update and biblical inspiration. So this one is the blessings from above. We are only steward of this one, and this one, and also this one. So they are my family also here. I include them always in our financial budget. So thank you for subscribing this YouTube channel. God bless you all. I always praying for all my subscribers, faithful subscribers. God bless all. God bless all of you.